For those who have been searching for a 4-bedroom penthouse with amazing views in El Poblado, well, this one is worth checking out. Quick note before we enter the property tour: when you're actively looking to buy a property in Medellin in the next 30 days and your budget is $150,000 or above, our team can help you move fast and buy properly. Since here in Colombia there is no traditional MLS, we have built our own MLS, what we call the Medellin Living Search System. Instead of showing you properties in our own directory, we scan the entire market based on your criteria and act as your private MLS. We only work one-on-one with buyers who are ready to follow our process and move forward seriously. So once you're ready to start that process, fill out the form down below in the description and we'll take it from there. Welcome to the channel. My name is Francisco. This is the Medellin Living Real Estate YouTube channel. And today we are in the area of Los Balsos. And stick around towards the end of the video because I'll go over on the map to show you where we are and what's around you. But as soon as we walk into this amazing penthouse with amazing views, you can get an idea of how much space you have to use. You have 250 square meters of space. This is the dining area that looks towards the local airport here in Medellin. That view is amazing, by the way. And you have separate living areas, right? You have the living area that we saw as soon as we walked in, a TV room that we'll see here in just a minute after the kitchen that we're looking at right now, that has enough counter space, has a dishwasher, has an oven. The maid's quarter back here was recently remodeled and it has a full bathroom. So this was converted into a guest bedroom. And we'll come back to the kitchen to show you some pantry space as well as the half bathroom. What I love about this property, by the way, is that you're the only property on the floor and the elevator goes right to your door pretty much, as you saw there at the beginning. And the way that the layout works, everything is separate. You have the living areas here on one side. Here's the TV room that can be continued using as a TV room or as an office space if you want. Here's the balcony with a barbecue, and just take a look at this view. Imagine having coffee here in the mornings, or imagine having a glass of wine towards the afternoons, right? I can just imagine the views over there. It's just beautiful all day, right? But back to what I was saying is that you have everything on one side, which is the living area and the kitchen, and then on this side of the property you have the bedrooms. I love that, the way that this is separate. Here's one of the guest bedrooms that has its own full bathroom, and it also has its own walk-in closet. What this building offers, by the way, it has 24/7 security, it has a sauna, it has a children's area, playground area, and it also has a swimming pool that is actually going through maintenance right now. They were remodeling it and they were kind of maintaining it as well. So that kind of gives you a sense of, you know, how well the HOA works in this residential complex and the way that they take care of the areas, the common areas, right? As we take a look at the office space here, that is one of the bedrooms here. You can use that, continue to use that as an office space or as a guest bedroom. Here's the master bedroom that has enough space for a king-size bed, a walk-in closet right here, a very long walk-in closet, by the way. And what I love about this master bedroom is the windows over here, the view, floor to ceiling windows. Take a look at that. Imagine that, waking up to that view. I can't imagine. Must be beautiful, right? And then here's the master bathroom. And that's pretty much it for this walkthrough. So I'll let you guys finish here and then we'll go over to Google Maps to show you exactly where we are and what's around you. Okay, let's take a look at the listing for this property. It is on our website. If you want to check out our website, then go to MedellinLivingRealEstate.com. There you can see all of the properties that we have available for sale. And by the way, I'll have the details for this property listed down below in the description. But let's head over to Google Maps to show you where Los Balsos is and where this neighborhood is. But let's go over to Google Maps to show you where Los Balsos is and where this apartment is. But let's go over to Google Maps to show you where Los Balsos and this property is located. So we're looking at the map here. This is all of El Poblado. I marked out Los Balsos. It's this yellow area, so you can see already that it's in the hills of El Poblado, so it's not very walkable. You'd probably be taking more transportation like Uber, or if you have your own car or motorcycle, that would be your way of getting around this area. Now, where the apartment's located, the penthouse, sorry, is this red mark right here that I marked out. That's where the residential complex is generally located. And what you have already right next to you are a few things. You have a Price Smart just down the street. So that's where you probably do grocery shopping if you wanted, Price Smart's basically like Costco in the United States. If you wanted a supermarket, you have one called over here called Super Mu right across the street from the main road via Los Balsos, which is Calle 9 Sur. That's a supermarket, kind of like a local supermarket chain here. And then you also have a Smart Fit just a little bit farther down. I didn't mark them out too much, but it's just this green area, this green marker that you see right here. And then farther along down in Los Balsos, you do have a Crepes and Waffles. If you've ever had Crepes and Waffles, it's an awesome restaurant. Colombians, the locals, they absolutely love Crepes and Waffles. You'll see a line going down 5 blocks down the street for people wanting to get their crepes and ice cream and all the other dishes that they offer. And then finally, what you also have nearby is a Pergamino, one of the more well-known cafes out here. Really good coffee shop. Great place to get work done in this Pergamino as well. Other points that are right next to you is the country club, El Club Campestre. I marked it out in blue here. It's not in Los Balsos, but you'd be neighboring to the country club. And this is one of the more exclusive clubs. They have a high membership fee, but you can do swimming, you can do golfing. They have a lot of networking events. I know that they host there. A lot of important people here in Medellin, they go to this country club. So it's one of the more exclusive high-end country clubs here in the city. You also have a few shopping malls around you. You have the El Tesoro Shopping Mall, Centro Comercial El Tesoro, marked out here on the right side. If you don't know the El Tesoro Shopping Mall, that's one of the nicest malls that we have here in the city. You have big brands, local brands there. You have movie theater as well. And then on the other side here, on the left-hand side, I've marked out this area. This is the Santa Fe Mall and also the Oviedo Mall. So you have 2 more shopping malls there. So total of 3 shopping malls, as well as the Provenza area, right? Nightlife. I marked it out here because everyone wants to know how far away you are from the nightlife of Provenza, the coffee shops, the local brands. And now what they're doing in Provenza, I don't know if anyone's noticed, they started to bring in a little high-end brands. Lacoste is there. They're starting to bring in Nike. Soon enough, we'll start to see other high-end name brands in there pretty soon. But this is Provenza. I marked it out here. You're probably just about 15 minutes, 20 minutes on Uber away from Provenza. So that's it for Los Balsos. It's a very residential area. It's also not the most walkable area, right? You're up more in the hills of El Poblado. The lifestyle out here is a little bit more high end, so prices might be just a little bit more higher than what you see in other parts of the city. But over here in this area, it's going to be safe and it's going to be quiet as well. That's it for this property tour of this amazing penthouse in Los Balsos. When you're actively looking to buy a property here in Medellin and your budget is above $150,000 and you're ready to buy in 30 days, then our team can help you move fast and buy properly. We have built something we call the Medellin Living Search System. Since in Colombia there is no private MLS, we decided to build one. We don't only show you direct properties in our inventory, we scan the entire market based on your criteria and act as your private MLS here. We work one-on-one with buyers who are ready to follow our process and move forward seriously. So once you're ready to start that process, fill out our buyer's form. The link is down below in the description. Fill out the form and someone on our team will reach out to you, and I'll catch you guys on the next video.